Hello, it's Michael from Sealegs, Australia, and I'm aboard a 9-metre hydrosol rib at the Cove 2022 boat show. And I just want to just show you this wonderful craft. It's been a platform that we've used on a few crafts so far, but we've now got this new layout which gives us joint riders which are really comfortable, and we can have various layouts from the all-rounder to the social, where we can have fridges on board and take it to the next level. This one you see has actually got a custom T-top that's been done over here, and we've certainly got a nice craft now that's actually going to take people across to the islands. We've got a lot of clients that have these on islands and they use it to get across. This is powered by a Brigg & Stratton 35 horsepower hydraulic engine that powers the wheels to drive them and also to lift them up. It's 3-wheel drive, and it's also got a diff lock as well, which gets you out of a bit of a fix if you get onto some loose sand. This craft has got a 425 horsepower Yamaha on. Normally we rig it with a 400 horsepower Yamaha, but our client just wanted to go for that extra spice, and this certainly is a lovely craft. Okay, I'm just going to drive a little bit further forward. Okay, I'm now going to just lift up the back wheels, just so she can come up. Okay. Just going to go back a little bit now. You can still move it up and down while it's going. Now I'm just going to bring it down a little bit. And this will go all the way down onto the beach, and you can lay it right on one side as well. So it's very versatile. So I'm just going to bring the front back up again. And also I'm going to bring the back up as well. Hi, we're now at the stern of the Sealegs, and you can see now this is where we've got the lifting mechanism. So we've got our nice Sealegs rams. Again, also on the wheels are supported by hubs. And then we've actually got beautiful high-prolonged tubes that are manufactured by Lancer, which is a company that we've got with Sealegs own Lancer. They make all the tubes for many craft. And the actual hull is also made at Sealegs as well. It's made out of marine grade aluminium, 5mm. It's well crafted, and yeah, this is all done in-house. So this craft is built completely in-house, and then obviously we put on a beautiful Yamaha outboard to make it all work. Okay, this is the front of the 9-metre, and you can see it's powered. It's got a power-driven wheel. It's all hydraulically powered by 35 horsepower Brigg & Stratton, which also drives the wheel, but also lifts the front wheel and also the back wheels as well. They've also got a diff lock where they can lock all the wheels in. This is constant 3-wheel drive. You will be getting 7.5 k's an hour. We've got a run time of about 30 minutes. It's actually long enough to get you out of the beach and certainly into most people's property and into the water. It's very durable. This is all made of marine grade aluminium, stainless steel. It's all really nicely made, and it's actually no more vulnerable than your outboards. All your outboards have trim tilts now, and this is no more vulnerable. And it's so easy to clean after you come out of the water. You can get it with soapy water, wash it all out, and it's really good. It's actually also, the front wheel is supported on a hub, which supports there's a hub here that actually supports the motor. So it's not on the bearing, so it's really well engineered for that. So there's no oil leaks coming out of the bearings now because it's supported on the hub. And it's really well manufactured. One of the things that attracted me to Sealegs first of all was just the engineering. I came out of the super yacht business and I just love the engineering. Okay, so I'm just going to start up the inboard Brigg & Stratton now. This is digital switching, so I just press the first switch, we get the fans on. Now I'm pressing it now, we've got the engine on, and I'm just going to increase the revs with this button here, and we're going to lift up the front wheel. So the front wheel is going to come up now. Now we're going to go back up. And now we lock back in. And we can do this also with the aft as well.